2020 April. I'm hiving my bees. These are the packages that they come in. The first thing that you want to do is prepare your hive, which we've done. Okay, we've got 5 hives all the way prepared. They're ready with all of their stuff. I suit up because, again, I'm allergic to these. These should be the most gentle bees in the world. My cameraman has opted to not go in the suit, even though she's deathly scared.
I'm not deathly scared. I'm just aware of the danger.
Okay. Anyway, we'll see if she stays this close or if she backs up and you have to see it from a mile away. First thing, you want to take the the boards off your hive package. Now, if you're only getting 1 or 2, they're probably not coming in the line of 5. When they're on the semi, they put them in a line of 5 and then they stack them up. So they line the semi this way. It's easier for the bees. It's easier for the semi driver. And you notice there's enough air movement in between to keep them both from getting too hot or too chilled. All right. So we've got 1 out. You can pause.
You want this direction?